Torry here again with Project Race Juke, and today what I want to do is I want to make a sunroof plug for the car. And the factory car came with a sunroof here, and when we put the cage in the car we removed the factory sunroof, mainly due to safety because we didn't want glass above my head in case of an accident, but also because of weight. When we took out the factory sunroof, we realized it really is actually quite light, so the weight's not going to be as big a savings as we thought. But I still we still wanted to remove it because of the glass. And so when we built the cage, they cut out a sheet of aluminum the same size as the hole in the roof. And as you can see, I've been running tape along the side of it to seal it when it's raining. So today what I want to do is I want to make a better permanent solution. So we're going to remake the sunroof. We're going to make a larger piece of aluminum that's actually going to go around, and I want to run sealant under it, and we're going to rivet it down, and hopefully it'll be a permanent solution so that I don't have to keep applying tape that keeps coming off. So here we go. It's going to be fun to take off.
Two hours later.
Hey guys, we just finished up cleaning the roof of the car, cleaning all that goo and the stickiness off the top from the tape. So now moving on to the next step. So what I have here is some extruded aluminum in an L shape here. And from the factory there are 7 bolts that hold in the factory sunroof. And what we're going to use is we're going to use the same bolt holes to make some new brackets bolted in and hold the new panel in. So I'm going to go ahead and cut 7 pieces of aluminum off and make some new brackets. Where's the ice cream truck?
Right there.
I want an ice cream. You want an ice cream?
No, I'm good.
So basically, as you can see, that I've laid down the old piece of metal and I've traced it, and what I'm doing now is measuring out about 1.25 inches larger on all sides. I'm going to draw a new template around it, and then I'm going to cut out the larger shape so that it overhangs by about 1.25 inches all the way around. Alright, so I just want to explain where I'm at right now on this. Originally I was going to use 7 brackets to hold this new panel down because there's 3 bolt holes in the front of the sunroof, and after looking at it, after I started working on it, I realized that those bolt holes are at a different angle than the ones on the sides. So I'm not going to be able to use the brackets that I intended to use, so I'm only going to use the 4 that I had, just like I had on the last panel. So I went ahead and used those 4. I put 2 rivets in each one and then bolted each of those 4 brackets onto the car. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw out about every inch or 2 inches or so. I'm going to mark a spot for a rivet hole, and I'm going to draw it all out. I'm going to drill all the holes in the roof for the rivets. Then I'm going to remove the panel, paint it, and then we'll be able to rivet it on after that. And so we left off, I was drilling holes for the rivets to hold the panel on the top of the roof. So I've gone ahead, I've finished drilling up all the rivets on the top of the roof, and then I've painted the panel that's going in. I just got done giving it a second coat, so we're going to let that dry. And then we're going to put it on the car, and you can see I've masked off the roof of the car as well. I sprayed a bit of clear rust protectant over the holes, so that way I'll try to avoid any rust building up under the panel after we've riveted it down. The last thing is I'm going to put, before I rivet it down, I'm going to put a bead of sealant around, make sure that it's nice and watertight. And also the rivets I'm using closed-in rivets which don't allow water to go through, so that'll help prevent any water dripping in under heavy rain. Hey guys, so just finished up. We got everything riveted down, so hopefully this is a more permanent solution than what I had before with the tape. I can't wait to take it out of the track and test it, make sure it's nice and watertight. So as always, check out Better Than Stock YouTube page. Make sure you subscribe, hit those like buttons, leave some comments. Also check out Fast Religion YouTube and Facebook pages, and then you can always go to thefastreligion.com and save yourself 10% on anything on the website by using coupon code RACEJUKE. So until next time, I'll see you guys.